Add insult to injury is an idiomatic expression that conveys the act of exacerbating someone's pain, frustration, or disappointment by further offending or harming them. It suggests that not only has a negative event or circumstance occurred, but an additional negative remark, action, or consequence has been inflicted upon the affected person. The phrase illustrates the concept of compounding negativity, where an insult is piled on top of an existing injury or hurt. It implies that the action taken to worsen the situation is unnecessary, and further deepens the emotional or physical pain experienced by the person involved. The origin of the expression is unclear, but its usage can be traced back to the 18th century. It reflects the common understanding that when someone is already dealing with a negative situation or setback, the addition of an insult or further harm intensifies their distress. For example, imagine a person who has just lost their job. Instead of receiving support and empathy, they are met with harsh criticism and ridicule from their former colleagues. In this scenario, the insults added to the injury of losing their job intensify their emotional pain and humiliation. The phrase can also be applied in various contexts, such as personal relationships, sports competitions, or legal disputes. In each case, it signifies the act of worsening a negative situation by further provoking or harming the affected party. While add insult to injury generally refers to deliberate actions or remarks, it can also encompass unintentional acts that unintentionally compound someone's distress. Regardless of intent, the expression highlights the impact of negative words or actions on an already difficult situation. In society, the phrase serves as a reminder of the importance of empathy, compassion, and restraint. It encourages individuals to consider the potential consequences of their words and actions, especially when someone is already going through a challenging time. It advocates for treating others with kindness and sensitivity, rather than inflicting additional pain. In summary, add insult to injury expresses the act of exacerbating someone's pain or distress by further offending or harming them. It illustrates the compounding effect of negative actions or remarks on an existing negative situation. The phrase emphasizes the importance of empathy and restraint, urging individuals to consider the impact of their words and actions on others, particularly when they are already facing difficulties.